สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Welcome to learning how to combine Thai words with Thai Kids Academy. Today we will look at these three words. The first word is mom. In Thai we say mẹ. And the second word is dad. In Thai we sayพ่อ. And the last word is doctor. In Thai we say หมอ. But if we combine แม่หมอ which means female fortune teller. But if we say พ่อหมอ which means male fortune teller. And what is fortune teller? So I have to say that some of Thai people they love to check to fortune teller because they are worried about their future. If they check to fortune teller, they feel better. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in our fact card, please contact our school.